So, since we haven't used these weapons in a while, what we're going to do is we'll strip them. So, Salah et Ra was ko, correct? Ra was ko. Yeah, it was. So if you want to, come this way a bit. So, when you shoot, what you want to do is you want to pull the weapon in nice and tight into your shoulder. Alright, so it doesn't move as much. So position, okay? Make sure when you fire, 1 foot slightly forward, then the other one. The weapon is up, pulling it hard into your shoulder. Okay? Okay. Okay, I've seen the Taliban do this. So lean in, so nice and strong. Then you can fire your weapon. Alright? Right. Harakat. Harakat. Check weapon safe. Okay. Fire the weapon. Fire. Fire. Top the weapon. Choose one. Top left. Rush. Remove. Clear. Clear. Look through the barrel. Clear.